comes. Ready?
Yep. Oh my goodness, that hurt.
Yeah.
Oh,
That fucking hauls you, bro.
that hurts so much.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of Cars Unlocked. Today we're test driving the 2024 Audi e-tron GT. Come with us for a ride and we're going to determine if this vehicle is a flex or a next. Special thanks to our friends at Audi Niagara here. If you guys are in the Niagara region or anywhere in Ontario, they're your Audi experts here. Flat bottom wheel with the RS badging on top. You have the perforated steering wheel cover and you have these real paddle shifters right behind it, which just help you when you're using that dynamic mode.
I'm gonna go nice and slow here. Yeah, she pulls, dog.
Let's talk about the handling. So this one, it comes with the all-wheel steering, active aerodynamics. You have active air suspension, so it really is a smooth ride. You're buying this as like a sports car, and there is enough. We have a full review of this on our channel. We're gonna link it in the description below.
Okay, it will simply take this turn. So smooth.
Now let's launch this thing.
2, 1. And boom, there's 100 right
That's
there.
actually the most intense thing.
Yeah, that's fun as
That's
fuck.
unbelievable.
0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds. No sunroof in this one. You have like the full large roof, but this one doesn't open. It's fixed with that glass top.
Sorry, Johnny.
So this one being the RS package, you get a whopping 637 horsepower when you use that launch mode, 612 pounds-feet of torque, and it's coming out of the dual permanent magnet motors.
160, 170. I don't know if that's even real.
Hot.
It doesn't feel like I'm going 170 at all.
If you ain't first, you're last. You know what I'm talking about? That phrase is trademark, not to be used as a tradition of Ricky Bobby.
People are gonna comment like
Yeah.
psycho I am.
And then of course you have the large Audi virtual cockpit display here right behind the steering wheel. You do have the one screen here versus that Q8 that we saw the other day that had the 2 screens. You have obviously the rear view camera system, you have the lane crossing assist, you have the Audi Presense with the 360-degree view of the car, lane departure warning, there's so many here guys, Audi side assist, rear cross traffic alert, exit warning, turning assist, swerve assist, traffic sign recognition, emergency assist, high beam assistant, and Audi adaptive cruise control.
All right, well, we're gonna do another launch and then we will be good to go.
Oh my goodness, that hurt.
Yeah.
Oh,
That fucking hauls you, bro.
that hurts so much. Bro, that was like more intense than any roller coaster I've ever been on.
Yeah.
So in terms of flex or next, if you're looking for an electric sports car, we're rating the 2024 Audi e-tron GT as a flex. And get back in the gym.